travel seasons. When it's really cold, you really enjoy this. I'm going to start with the recipe. I'm going to turn on the gas. I'm going to add 1 glass of water. I'm going to add 2 chopped tomatoes. I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves. I chopped them nicely. And I have got a pepper which I have just put a fork inside like this. Can you see? I've just put a fork inside like this, and I'm going to roast it. So I'm going to put my tomato here and I'm going to roast this. It gives a very good color. And I'm also going to use some sesame oil. This is optional. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. I'm just going to put a little bit. That's it. Sesame oil is very good for you in the winter. And it keeps you warm, so that's why we use it in our cooking as well. Friends, can you see? It's given a nice smoky flavor, and the aroma in my kitchen is really awesome. Can you see? You don't need to do much, only just for the flavor. Now I'm going to turn off this gas and let it cool down, and I'm going to put this gas over here, and I'm going to turn this gas on. I'm going to put a vegetable cube inside it. This gives a very good flavor to the soup, and with the garlic inside. And I'm going to put 1 spoon of salt. This soup is sufficient for 2 members of the family. And I'm going to put 1 spoon of black pepper. Friends, can you see? I have removed the burnt part. It is optional if you want to put it or if you don't, but I don't like it too, I don't want it too burnt. I have left some on the skin, if you can see. And I'm going to add it to my tomatoes and let it boil for about half an hour. It's been 15 minutes now, and this is how it looks. Can you see? I'm going to turn off my gas and blend it, and then on the gas again for another 15 minutes, and then my soup will be ready. My soup, can you see? Have a look. It's blended really nicely. I'm going to turn on the gas now and keep it for 15 minutes. If you want your soup to be more thick, you can add corn flour at this point. But I like my soup like this. So after 15 minutes, I'll show you how it looks. I'm going to make croutons for my soup. So I've just cut into cubes like this. I'm going to bake it for 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Let's check on our croutons now. Oh, look at that! Superb! Let's have a look. Homemade croutons. And I'm going to put on my soup. I'm going to turn off my gas now, and let's have a look at my soup. Look at that color. Superb. I really feel like having it now. You don't need any corn flour. Look at how thick this is. Look at the consistency. Wow, you don't even need anything. And now I am going to decorate it with my croutons. Have a look. I hope you're going to try it. Thank you for watching.